What's going on there, Junior? You think you're all that on Michelle's room? Hey? Look at this beautiful room. Michelle's finally got her lovely room all organized with, okay, there's a little bit of clutter on the floor, but that's okay, it's still organized. Ah, and her ceiling is no longer have mold. It's beautifully done with lovely new paint. And thank you to my dear Mario for helping Michelle get it done. Done a lovely coat of beige. Michelle call it beige, I call it cream. And then she also got carpet tiles that they went to pick up in Nowra. So I drove there for an hour and a half. And this is her bedside table with her beautiful peace lily that's a little bit burnt from cold because it's quite cold now. And her lovely new bed, a new mattress. And then of course as we turn around on the corner, it's her tables for her study. Stole my computer. No, she didn't. And she's got her heater on the corner here. So when it gets really cold, and she's ordered a brand new heater as well. And then dried beautiful flowers that Michaela dried for her. And then of course, this needs wiping, my dear. With a damp clothes and wipe that. And yeah, so this is her brand new room. All nicely done up. Keep it nice and clean, my little girl. Oh, still got to decorate it. And of course, Junior, I think he's all the king in the world. Got the whole bed to himself while Michelle's at school. That's right. And then over here as well, it's her tall boys. And she's still got to finish it up. It's not finished yet. The beautiful Adansoni Monstera. And there's variegated Hoya that needs to wipe the leaves. And Michelle scored a million years old of crystals from a coal mine, quartz.